Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor Pad X9 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then select biometrics and password, and as you can see there is no possible way to add a fingerprint. You can either use lock screen pattern or Face ID, whatever you prefer. To set, for example, a lock screen password, just tap on it and provide it. If you will pick Face ID, you will have to provide your Face ID by showing your face right in front of the camera. So that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this pin code that we set. Obviously it works all the same with Face ID. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.